everyone, so Turnitin is a very important part of a student life, sometimes with your assignment being incomplete without it. I'm Rahima and here's a guide on how to enroll for a class using your Turnitin student class ID. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying in your future career. I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with Turnitin, as it has become an essential part of task submissions for students, being one of the more effective systems to check for plagiarism. And although some institutions will already have students enrolled for their classes through Turnitin, some institutions don't, and in this case you have to do it yourself. If this is the case, lecturers will offer a student their class ID and enrollment key alone, and it will be up to the student to enroll their account onto Turnitin. For this, however, the student will need to create their own student profile and then enroll their class through their profile. Let's first go through how to create a user profile. First, you'll need to go to the Turnitin website, then click the Create Account button on the top right hand corner and click the student link. Fill in the Create a New Student Profile form by filling in your class ID and class enrollment key that your institution instructor should have given you. Your first name, your last name, and your email address. At the bottom of the form, create your own profile password and then add a secret question that will help you reset your password in case you might forget it. Then, look through the user agreement and click I agree, create profile. Once the student has created their profile, they will need to enroll for their classes, which have assignments which will need to be filtered through the Turnitin system. Enrolling for a class is also quite simple. You need to log in and on the home page, click Enroll in a class tab. Enter the class or session ID and enrollment key for the class and click Submit to enroll. The class should then be added to your student homepage, and that's it. Comment down below what you're studying and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.